With Doubtnut, get instant video solutions to all your maths, physics, chemistry, and biology doubts. Just click the image of the question, crop the question, and get instant video solution. Download Doubtnut app today.
Hi everyone, so we are given with a question which says an infinitely large plate of surface charge density sigma plus is lying in horizontal xy plane. A particle having charge of minus q naught and mass m is projected from the plate with velocity u, making an angle theta with the sheet. We need to find time taken by the particle to return to the plate, maximum height achieved by the particle, and at what distance will it strike the plate, neglecting gravitational force on the plate. So let's try to redraw this, reconstruct the diagram and try to solve it. So we can see over here uh, there is a negative mass, negative charge that has been projected at an angle theta with the horizontal, and so this is the case of a combined, we can say, projectile motion in a electric field, we can say. So here, as we can see, the plate is positively charged, having a charge density of sigma plus, we can see. So electric field direction will be in the upward direction, so we can write it over here as E bar. And we know, the since there is a negative charge that has been projected, so suppose that the charge reaches at this point, so it will experience a force in the downward direction. As we have studied already, the negative charge when move in the electric field, so it experience a force in the opposite direction to that of electric field, so it will experience a force in the downward direction. So, and that force is given by the formula q naught E. Alright, so this is what the force is, so we can write q naught, and E is nothing but it is electric field due to this infinitely large plate having surface charge density sigma, and its electric field intensity is given by the formula sigma by 2 epsilon 0. Alright, this is what the electric field intensity due to an infinitely charged plate is. So since we can see the charge is under the influence of force, so it will be having some acceleration in the downward direction. We can calculate that acceleration A as F by m. Alright, so we can write it as q naught sigma by 2 epsilon 0 m. So this is what the value of acceleration that has been acting on the charge we are getting in the downward direction. So now as we have got the acceleration with us, so we can now in the position to calculate the time, maximum height, and the basically it is nothing but third part is the range. Alright, so let's begin with the first part of the question. That is, in the first part we have to calculate the time to reach the plate, or basically the time of flight. This is nothing but it is time of flight, which is given by the formula t equals to 2u sine theta by g. Here g is nothing but instead of g we will be using a, that is the acceleration with which the charge is experiencing is a over here. So we will just have to substitute the values over here and we can get the answer. So we can write 2u sine theta instead of a if we place, so we can get the answer as 2 epsilon 0 m dividing it by q naught sigma. So after solving it further, we can get the answer as 4 u epsilon naught m sine theta by q naught sigma. So this is what the time of flight expression we are getting. In the second part of the question, we have been asked to calculate the maximum height achieved. So for height, we can use the formula u square sine square theta upon 2a. Alright, so from here if we substitute the values, so we can get u square sine square theta dividing by this 2 and 2 will get cancelled out, so we are left with q naught sigma, and here it goes epsilon 0 m. So this is what the expression for maximum height we are getting. Now for the third part of the question, to calculate at what distance will it strike the plate. So this is nothing but this is basically the range we have been asked to find out, that is r, and this range is given by the formula r equals to u square sine 2 theta by a. Alright, so from here if we substitute the values, so we can write u square sine 2 theta by a can be written as we can calculate it q naught sigma into 2 epsilon naught m. So this is what the expression for range we are getting. So these are the required results we have calculated. So I hope you have understood the concept, and thank you for watching.
For class 6 to 12, IIT JEE and NEET level. Trusted by more than 5 crore students. Download Doubtnut App today.